Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Innovational Blends. I want to show you how I have been preserving my old designs, and if you have any design that you would love to refresh, you should definitely check out this video. These designs are from back when I was in 8th and 10th grade. At that time I used to doodle all sort of designs and floral patterns on pages, but those pages were in pretty rough shape. So I came up with a genius plan to save them. I pasted those pages onto card sheets to give them a new lease on life, and I also pasted few designs in my trusty sketchbook. To jazz things up and make them look even cooler, I went wild with some random paint strokes on the card sheets. Trust me, it worked like magic. Now check out the amazing results. I have managed to keep my designs intact, and each page has paint strokes that match the design, creating a sweet connection. You can also take care of your designs in a similar way, combining creativity and beauty. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it or leave a comment. And more videos, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.